Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to add 1 through 10 and 1 through 100 in 10 seconds without using a calculator. How did you calculate the sum of 1 through 10 so far? What about 1 through 100? Perhaps you have been punching in the numbers in the calculator. Actually, you don't need it. And all you need is your brain and pen and paper. The key approach is to pair two numbers from the beginning and the end. In this case, you can take 1 and 10 to add them together to have 11, and then you can also continue to add 2 and 9, and 3 and 8, and so on. Then we have 5 pairs of 11, and the sum of 1 through 10 is 55, which is very quick, right? In fact, there is a formula for the sum of first n natural numbers, which is n by n plus over 2. Let's use this formula to add 1 through 10. In this case, n is 10, so you can plug 10 into the formula. You have 10 by 10 plus 1 divided by 2, which gives us 55. Now, when you take a look at it more closely, this formula breaks into two. The first one is the sum of pairs, which is 11 in this example. The second part is the half of n, which is 5. So you are multiplying the numbers of pairs by the sum of pairs. Let's work on the second example by using the same approach. You can take 1 plus 100 to give you 101, and 2 plus 99 for 101. You can continue to add the pairs of numbers for 101, and the total number of pairs will be 50, which is the half of 100. Now you can take 50 and multiply by 101 to give you 5050, which I think this is a very efficient way to calculate the sum. Let's find out that the formula can also work for you. Now your n is 100, and then you can take half followed by 100 by 101, which gives you 5050. 101 means the sum of pairs, and 50 is the number of pairs. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel if you haven't done it yet. Thumbs up if you enjoyed. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. See you next time.